Okay. Why? Fun stuff always gets me in that trouble. English may seem simple, but there are intricacies that some of us just don't know. So we're going to discuss some interesting facts about the English language as taken from Grammarly.com.
I think you're going to need that. I think you're going to need from Grammarly. You need Grammarly.
Then me I wait for see the facts come up on anything and say up next.
Well, let me tell you, here's what they say about the language. And some people think it is the toughest language. I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language.
Good. It have a subject and it have verb and everything.
Sentence. I am.
Yes.
What's the next one?
A pangram sentence is one that contains every letter in the language. For example, the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
It's a pangram. You know the first me about pangram. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious is not the longest word in English. By the way, that word apparently means fantastic, and it was popularized by the movie Mary Poppins and was eventually added to the dictionary. What you probably didn't know is that there is a word that is longer. So look like me and Daly have to go work on this. Pneumonotromicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. That's a simple thing. It's a type of lung disease caused by inhaling ash and dust.
So the pneumonia and the volcaniosis, the middle part never necessary.
So you're telling the people them what to do. What's the fourth one?
There are ghost words that mean nothing.
Which means what?
There are some words that appeared in the dictionary because of printing errors. So the non-existent word dord appeared in the dictionary for 8 years. It became known as a ghost word.
The shortest, oldest, and most commonly used word is I. Medieval manuscripts reveal that some of the oldest words in English are I,
of course,
we,
of course,
two, and three.
Yes.
This makes I one of the shortest and oldest words in English language. It is also the most commonly used word in English conversation.
But of course, a new word is added to the dictionary.
Because Jamaica people say sometimes when they must say I. So I have a little deal with the kids at school, and I say, when you're sending me a message, try to do it in standard English. I don't mind the patois. So somebody will say, Coach, I Sheffield. So, is used for is, not I. This I didn't know.
A new word is added to the dictionary every 2 hours.
That I didn't know.
So sometimes people say words and people say, I don't word that. But you'd be surprised to know
which means between now and your next meal, a new word will be put in the dictionary. During the course of the year, almost 4,000 new words are added.
Look out.
I had no idea about that.
There's a name for words that we repeat often. Words we always use even though they add no meaning or value to a sentence are called crutch words. For example, in the sentence, then I was like, OMG. Then like he went there, and like, it's pretty obvious that like is a crutch word. Actually, honestly, and basically are also commonly used as crutch words. And on radio in Jamaica, I think the most common crutch phrase is and of course.
Yeah, and of course.
Yes.
Yeah. I use actually quite a lot. I actually use it a lot.
Actually?
Actually do.
Oh.
Swims will be swims even when turned upside down.
And all when you put pepper on it and eat it, when you buy it out of St. Elizabeth,
it still
swims are swims.
Such words are called ambigrams.
Yes.
Well, I don't know another one though. Give me another one that if you turn it upside down. No.
T-O-T.
No, they must say back to front, them say upside down.
Upside, then why would you turn that word upside down?
That's my point. It's not back to front, but if you turn it upside down, if you look at swims, if you turn it upside down.
L-O-L.
No.
Straight L?
No, if you turn it
upside down. L-O-L.
No, it's not
L-O-L. Not the capital L.
L-O-L.
I say you right,
If you turn it upside down, you start look.
No, but I don't say L-O-L right now. But you write L-O-L in a cursive.
Then you just said, you said not capital.
L-O-L.
No, the O supposed to, if you turn it upside down. But swims, S-W-I-M-S. So if you put this, swims. Oh. Marvin starving?
Never manage that.
All right, so if it says swims, don't move Marvin starving. And you go, so.
It's still I say.
It's swim.
The S look funny.
Yeah, but I saw it not look so wonderful for my boy.
Yeah.
All right, what's the next one?
The next one says, Eldon, English is the language of the air. What does that mean?
Yeah.
That all pilots have to identify themselves and speak in English while flying, regardless of their origin.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
So every single pilot in the world speak English.
Wow.
I didn't know that.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Give me the thing, that's it? That's the last one?
No, the last one says, we have to create our own word with its own meaning. Own word with its own meaning and use it in a sentence. All right. I hope Neville not use the word we him said before. When put, that's the, okay.
My word is folks dooley, which me use all the while.
So what it mean? It have to have its own meaning.
Yeah, it's
and
folks,
in a sentence.
but it's many folks. Folks dooley. So it's every folk in the world. I must make it a sentence now?
Yes.
Where you want it?
Wait, no. Quiet.
Can't write, you know.
Music done? My word is nevtastic. The JDF winning the award is nevtastic.
And
if
my
you
word,
find nevtastic in the dictionary, Korean, well,
and my word as well says folk story. So I said, listen, folk story, I have no time for this. For
folk
the
story.
Yep. I bet you, I am betting you before the day done it in my dictionary.
I would bet you.
How much you bet? How much you betting?
I would bet
How
you.
much you betting?
That the dictionary people would say folks dooley.
Right.
Is a which dooley, right?
No. It's which word?
And is it a plural word or is it the singular
It's
word?
plural.
Folks dooley.
Yeah, it's plural.
And what's the singular?
Folks. Folk. Well, I know. Folk is singular, folks is plural.
So it can't
and
be a
folks
word
dooley
because
is
folk is already in the
You're not
dictionary.
hearing me. No. Listen to me now. Listen to me. Folk.
This is not a Latin origin. This is origin that sound like
Vineyard Town.
don't have one bar, don't have vineyard.
It's Vineyard Town.
Like after him done drink him say, okay, I love folks dooley. All folks dooley. All drinks are on, yeah, so it's all
As
right.
you say, all drinks, I saw this man, true story, the drunken man, and knocked on the light post. He knows I knocked on the light post. And he said, no, you're up there, you know, because I light turn on. So, you don't know. But nobody never opened the team.
Same bar, when come up with folks dooley, and just I'm going to hear this joke, right? Okay.
The other thing I would like to
folks
ask
dooley.
before we go to the break is when someone drunk, why them steps are high? I don't know. I see a man come out of the car there. And when the man come out of the car, it's like him come out of the car. And the ground is right there. I mean, I see the man open the door, I'm there for that thing. So I said, like he must step over something. I said, the man, but why the steps so high?
Their perception is a little bit flawed, which is why they say don't drink and drive. Because if you have steps so high, you can imagine how they might drive high.
No, but I don't, when the man step out, I mean, look down because it's something him step over, but not much.
Same so then drive.
Say don't like my word, people don't like my word, folks do. Let me say it all the while, folks do. Nevtastic.
Nevtastic.
All right, a word.
You don't like it? Me agree.
A word that make no sense.
Actually, the Nev part tonight now.
All right.
The Nev part bring down the
No,
word.
you see because you're bright, use Nevtastic and folks dooley in the same sentence. I gave you the meaning of folks dooley.
All the folks dooley who think Neville is an idiot are Nevtastic.
Well, that just tell you that she's an idiot. All right, speaking of language, it's a serious interview we'll have later on about language overall. But coming up next, we have a feature on Chromanti language, which is incredibly interesting. So stay with us, please.